Introducing the SG50 ultra-low power solar LoRaWAN gateway, designed to meet the demands of truly wire-free deployment. SG50 harnesses the sun's energy through the solar panel. When in complete darkness, the SG50 can keep going for up to 4 days, ensuring uninterrupted operation. This remarkable feature is made possible by its ultra-low power consumption design and high-capacity 25 Ah internal battery. In cold weather, the SG50 will actively warm the battery, ensuring proper charging and reliability. Designed with an IP67 waterproof rating and a wide temperature tolerance, the SG50 can withstand harsh outdoor conditions. What's more, SG50 leverages LoRaWAN technology for a communication range of up to 15 kilometers in rural areas. It supports listen-before talk, allowing effective channel sharing, minimizing conflicts, and enhancing the transmission environment. Furthermore, SG50 is compatible with multiple network servers to meet users' needs. In summary, SG50 suits areas with limited power and Ethernet infrastructure, enabling a truly wire-free deployment. And that's not all. Contact us for more information.